Okay, here Miss Dwi is accompanying by someone. Anybody knows? Can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, thank you, Miss Dwi. Hi, my name is Kasmelina and you can call me Miss Erlin.
Okay, here Miss Dwi and Miss Erlin will be your English teachers. And Miss Dwi is going to teach 3 classes. They are 3 Anas bin Malik, 3 Abdullah bin Mas'ud, and 3 Sa'ad bin Abi Waqqas. And then
I'm going to teach 3 Ammar bin Yasir. Although there are 2 teachers here, Miss Dwi and I, but we'll give you the same material and same assignment.
That's right, Miss Erlin. So don't worry, okay? And then because Miss Erlin doesn't know about you, so in this first session meeting, we're going to have introduction session and we're going to play game. Are you interested?
But before we play the game, you need to listen the material first.
Are you ready? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello kids, good morning. How are you today? Okay, I'm fine. In the first session meeting, we have introduction session, sesi perkenalan, and then after that we're going to play game. What game we need to play? Game apa sih yang mau kita mainkan? Oh, it's about numbers game. Tentang permainan angka. So, before we start to play game, we need to study about the numbers. Kita harus belajar tentang nomornya itu dulu. Okay, are you ready? Happy Campers 3, Unit 1, Lesson 1, Numbers 10 to 100. Yang kita mau pelajari adalah nomor puluhan, tens numbers from number 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 100. But in English version. Before we start to study numbers 10 to 100, let's review number 1 to 10 first. Kita mau menghitung angka 1 sampai 10 terlebih dahulu. Sebelumnya kan kalian waktu kelas 1 sudah pernah tuh belajar tentang nomor 1 sampai 10 in English version. Okay? Do you know this song? Kalian pasti tahu dong lagu ini, kita sering nyanyiin di kelas biasanya. Okay, are you ready to sing together with me? 1, 2, 3. I count number, you count number, we count number again. Hey, aku berhitung, kamu berhitung, kita berhitung lagi. Hey, okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that is number 1 to 10. Masih ingat? Oke, kita mau review lagi sekali lagi nyanyinya ya. Sekali lagi biar semangat. Pokoknya nyanyinya harus lebih kompak nih. Lebih kompak, sing with me together. Ketika Miss Dwi bernyanyi, kalian juga bernyanyi ya. Ikutin ya. Oke, let's back to the lyric song. Oke, 1, 2, 3. I count number, you count number, we count number again. Hey, aku berhitung, kamu berhitung, kita berhitung lagi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that is number 1 to 10. Alhamdulillah sudah ingat ya number 1 to 10. Nah, untuk from number 10 to 100, kalau kalian sudah hafal nomor 1 sampai 10, it will be easier to memorize number 10 to 100. Kalau kalian sudah bisa nomor 1 sampai 10, untuk belajar nomor 10, 20, 30, 40 sampai 100 itu akan lebih mudah, will be easier. Nah, after this you need to listen from number 10 to 100. It's time to echo. Get ready and be
Unit 1. Lesson 1. Activity 1. Listen, then echo.
Vocab, vocab, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Vocabulary, vocabulary, vocabulary. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Vocabulary.
Okay, you already listen and echo number 10 to 100. Now we're going to repeat. In this repeat session, you need to speak. Kalian harus mengikuti untuk mengucapkan ya. Soalnya kalau mau belajar bahasa Inggris, mau bisa, itu harus mau berani mengucapkan. Jadinya kalian akan ingat di sini. Okay? Ready? Let's follow to speak.
Unit 1, Lesson 1, Activity 1. Listen, then echo.
Vocabulary, vocabulary, vocabulary. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Vocabulary, vocabulary. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Vocabulary.
Okay, that's all
Vocabulary.
from 10 to 100. Nah, kalau nomor puluhan itu cirinya diakhiri kata T. Ada misalkan 70, 80. Nomor 40, 4 itu 4. Kalau 40 itu diakhiri T, ditambah T. Jadi 4T. Untuk kecuali yang 10, 20, 30. Nah, agak beda bunyinya ya. Nggak meneruskan dari tuti. Kalau 20 bukan tuti, tu 2, ti plus ti, no. Tapi kalau 20 itu 20, 3 itu 3. Tapi kalau 30-nya bunyinya agak beda, depannya 30. Oke? Jadi, nah yang agak beda juga ini nomor 5 ke 50. 5 itu 5. Tapi kalau 50 bukan 5T, it's 50. Oke? Nah, 90, 80, 70, 60. Now we're going to review and then let's spell the word. Kita mau mengeja kata tiap numbers. Nah, this is number 10. 10, it's 10. How do you spell 10? It's T-E-N. Yang bisa ikutin ya. It's 10. 20, it's 20. How do you spell 20? It's T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Next, 30, it's 30. How do you spell 30? Let's spell together. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. And then 40. It's 4, 4, and then plus T untuk 40. 40. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Untuk angka 4 penulisannya 4 itu ada U-nya. F-O-U-R. Tulisan for itu pakai U, tapi untuk 40 U-nya kita buang, jadi 40. Boleh penulisan 40 menggunakan U, itu penulisan British style. Englishnya orang Inggris itu pakainya 40-nya pakai U. Tapi kalau yang ini tanpa U itu American English. Inggrisnya orang Amerika itu penulisannya without letter U. Jadi langsung 40. And then this one is 50. How do you spell 50? F-I-F-T-Y. 50. Next, 60. How do you spell 60? Let's together. S-I-X-T-Y. 60. After 60, 70. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 70. And then 80. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 80. Now 90. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90. After that 100. For 100 kita spell 1 dulu. 00 kita baca 100. 100. O-N-E. 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. Kalau 200 gimana? What's in English 2? 2. Jadinya 200. 300, what is number angka 3? It's 3. Jadinya 300. 300. 400 in English 4, it's 4. Jadinya 400. Ya, gitu ya. 500, 600. Next. Now you need to mention, you need to send the picture to me and Miss Erlyn. And then write your name, your class name, and your hobby. Hobi itu apa sih? Hobi itu kesukaan kalian apa? I like cooking, I like reading a book, I like murojaah, I like riding a bike, something like that. Okay, your name, nama kamu, your class name, nama kelas kamu. Nah, di sini ada contohnya. Contohnya di sini Satya mengirim message to me, an introduction message. Hi, I'm Satya. I'm from Tri Abdullah bin Mas'ud class. I like playing soccer. Thank you. Nah, kalian nanti mengirim foto seperti ini ke Miss Dwi. Untuk kelas Ammar bin Yasir bisa mengirim ke nomor Miss Erlyn ya. Okay, here I'm Satya. It's your name. I'm from Tri Abdullah bin Mas'ud class. It's your class name, nama kelas kamu. And then I like playing soccer. It's your hobby. Kalian harus mengirim pesan seperti ini with your picture photo, okay? Now after you finish send a picture with introduction message, you can play the game. This is number scanning. Kalian masuk ke browser, nanti kalian tulis join myquiz.com. Kalian tulis tuh di browsernya and then search. Nanti ada enter a game code. Kalian harus masukkan kode gamenya, itu adalah 213756. Ya, kalian masukkan kode nomornya di situ 213756. Nanti kalau ada notification login, nggak perlu login juga bisa. And then after date, enter your full name. Masukkan nama lengkap kalian. Nah, baru setelah itu you can play the game. Enjoy the game. Okay, thank you. Thank you, and then wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye, see you next week.